This is Romney Regalario and this is my wife.
Tony Regalario.
And today we're gonna show you DIY belly casting. And we have the belly casting kit over here. And this is made by Pierhead. We're gonna do it step by step.
First, let's set it up.
You want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me.
Be bold. Okay, get naked. So we have hot water and 5 packs of wraps, a set of gloves, instruction,
Lubricant.
and belly lubricant, and also plastic for covering the floor or your working table, and
So you won't
for a
miss
lap as well. So apply lubricant is starting at the breast part, then work your way down to the belly. Spread them evenly and as thick as possible, or as thick as comfortable for the mommy. So that way it's easier for her to remove it later on when it's all done. And just let the cast touch the water so it's not so wet. Using the medium cut cast. The breast part you use the short, and the mid belly you'll be using the long cut. Try to work continuously, but do not rush yourself. The wet cast will be dripping so much that it will get the underwear wet. So try to tuck in the plastic cover so that way it will protect the underwear. And smoothing the cast as you go. To wet the cast, wet the end at the water down to the other end. The lower part of the belly is a little harder, so you have to be more careful and smoothen it as you go, and check for wrinkles or folds. With casting, you can do your own style as long as you do them evenly and do not miss any spots. Now that you're done with the first layer, you can go ahead with the second layer to make the cast thicker and stronger. Check also for any spots that needs to be smoothened. Now you can fix the sides to make it even. Keep smoothing the surface as you go. This could be uncomfortable for mommy and the applicator, so get comfortable as much as possible. I put one vertical cast to hold down the horizontal cast. Thank you all for watching, and happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. Fix the surface or keep smoothing it as you go. This is a very delicate process, but very doable, and it's great to preserve memories of your pregnancy. We are now down for the last few casts, so it's time to just secure the cast, make sure it's thick enough and strong enough. This kit actually comes with 5 cast rolls, but we ended up just using 3 of them. We are now almost done and down to the last few casts. The total duration of this process, it was about more or less an hour from preparation to the end. And if you guys are still watching, please don't forget to like and subscribe after the video and leave a comment for us of what you think of this video. So just kind of go over everything and check if there's a spot that needs to be smoothened. You can just wet them a little bit to smoothen them. And if you want to do your own belly cast, you can get one from Amazon. It's about less than $20. So after it's done, you just have to wait to let it dry for about 10 minutes, more or less 10 minutes. But be careful though, it's still gonna be wet and soft, so you have to be careful when you take it out. After 10 minutes, you can try to see if it's ready and let the mom do it so it's safer for the cast. And there you go. You are now have pregnancy belly cast to preserve those memories.